Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. In this video I will generate a new product using React as the front-end engine and Node.js and the simple Node.js API. The product once is generated and the source code published on GitHub, I will use an open source deployer to push the product on render deployment platform. Let's go. For newcomers, the generator it's a free service. The first step is to pick up a design. In the second page, we can choose the preferred API backend server. So in this demonstration, I will use Node.js, but feel free to choose other frameworks. And once the settings are confirmed, we need to hit the generate button and wait the completion of the task. The generator will provide for the zip archive in case we want to download the sources directly in our system. We can check out this archive. But for this demonstration, I will wait to have the sources uploaded to GitHub and use the deployer to push the product live on render. Okay, so while the source code is uploaded to GitHub, let's play around with the deployer. Basically, the deployer has this entry point file, and if we call the deployer without any arguments, we can see all the available commands. In order to deploy a full stack application generated by AppSeed, we need to use this argument full stack, and if we call this subcommand without any arguments, the tool informs us that we need to supply a repository. This tool is basically a Python wrapper built on top of render API. So can be used by anyone to automatize the deployments, and the tool requires in the environment two things: the render API key and owner ID, both provided by the platform. So it's super easy to get started with. Okay, if we go back to the generator page, the process is successful, and we can access the source code published on GitHub. And okay, and access the project. We can see here that the sources were generated 1 minute ago, and we can use the product. In order to push the sources into the render platform, we need just to add here the URL of the repository and hit the enter button, hit the enter, and the tool will analyze the stack. In this case, detects that we have a Node.js API connected to a React user interface, and pushes the services on render. Let's get back here, refresh the page, and we can see that the React UI is under deployment, and also the API Node.js server. Basically the same IDs as here. Okay. Okay. Cool. So let's wait the completion of the deployment. Once the services are deployed on render, we are able to use the product. This is the API server, and this is the React UI, React UI, which by the way is crafted by Simple, looks amazing, is built on top of Chakra, and has a lot of things, dark mode ready. The pages are very nice and well designed with good usability, and might be a good solution for a really nice React project. Okay, I think the Node.js API should be live soon. The React kits usually compiles in 2 or 3 minutes, so we need to wait. Using the same flow, we can generate other projects using other backends, and also we can generate purely Django or Flask monorepos. So our plan is to update the generator to support also Angular and VGS and other frameworks, and also provide the service free of charge, and the service is also usable without an account. Another important fact is the fact that the generated sources are released under the MIT license, so the code can be used for commercial projects or simply for e-learning activities. So don't hesitate to incorporate the code into your projects without any limitations. Okay, so the API server it's up and running. You can see only green messages in the terminal, and also render informs us that the service is live. Now we need to wait the completion also for the React UI, which is also finished. Let's go into the browser and access the user interface. Okay, let me access the runtime logs for the Node.js just to double check the communication between React UI and Node.js backend. I will use a test account, which at this moment is not created, but just to double check the wrong credentials. Okay, we can see that the queries are made against the backend. So we're in. Guys, this is the generator. I was using only free tools. The app generator provided by AppSeed, it's a free tool. The deployer, it's a free tool. And render, it's a super nice platform that has a simple Heroku-like user interface. You can customize now the products. You can click and update the settings, and in one sentence you can go live with render and the app generator with a newly created project in less than 5 minutes. So thanks for watching. Let us know what you think. We are here 24/7 on Discord, and also we are replying to all the emails, and we are constantly improve the product in order to provide all the modules and features requested by the community. Guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye.